How to make money with affiliate marketing. The first thing you need to do is think about your audience. You need to know who they are, what they want, how much money they can spend, and where you can find them. Take some time to understand exactly who would benefit from your product or service and how it can help them in their lives. This isn't as difficult as it sounds. Most people have an idea of their target market already. Maybe you run a blog that caters to parents of young children. In this case, the ideal customer will be someone with young kids who is interested in toys, games, and other activities for young children. Or maybe your affiliate product is aimed at small businesses and entrepreneurs. If so, potential customers might be self-employed individuals running businesses of their own, or people working for large companies interested in making their teams more productive by using new tools like yours. Whoever your audience is, it's essential to find a niche and understand what people in it are looking for. Set up a website. Once you've decided what niche to focus on, it's time to set up your website. This will be the foundation of your business and where you'll spend a lot of your time, so you must get this right before moving forward. First off, make sure the design is professional. Many people will judge your business by its appearance. If it looks cheap or unprofessionally designed, they might also think that's how much value they'll be getting. Also, use a domain that's easy to remember and spell correctly when typing. This should also match up with the keywords you plan on ranking for in Google, because potential customers will likely search there first. And lastly, make sure it has good mobile friendliness, because more people now access websites via mobile devices instead of desktop computers or laptops, which makes having a responsive design essential. Even if your target audience isn't currently using mobile devices yet, you don't want them turning away before even checking out what else you have to offer. Build an email list. Building an email list is one of the best ways to grow your affiliate marketing business. Email marketing has been around for decades, and it's still one of the most effective tools you can use to reach new customers and turn them into repeat buyers. Email marketing works best because it's personal. When someone opts into your emails, they know they will only receive messages from you. You can send information specifically relevant to them, like news about promotion or discounts, which makes them more interested in what you have to say and more likely to read those emails. To build an email list on your site, there are two main options: using a landing page or using social media platforms like Facebook or Twitter. Affiliate marketing can be rewarding if done right. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing, you will need a website and an affiliate program that pays out when someone purchases something through your link. You can also make money from your blog or website by including links on it that help you earn commissions whenever someone clicks on them and makes a purchase. When starting, look for an affiliate network that pays well with little effort or fuss required from you. This way, once the site is up and running with relevant content and products listed, all that is left is sharing those links with friends who may be interested in learning more about your chosen topic or area. Choose quality products and brands. You want to select products that you can stand behind. As an affiliate marketer, you're selling the product for a living. When someone asks what you do, they expect it to sound like you genuinely believe in what you are investing your time in. You should also look for products that are in demand and have a large consumer base. The more people who buy these kinds of products, the better off everyone will be, including yourself. And finally, make sure there's demand for the type of product or service you're looking at offering as an affiliate marketer before committing any time or money to promote them on social media platforms. Some websites require their affiliates to have active link clicks and be actively promoting their products. Optimize for search engines. To make money as an affiliate marketer, you need to optimize your website or channels for search engines. This means making sure your site is mobile friendly and you've done everything in your power to help it rank high on the first page of search results. If you aren't ready to take on this risk, hire an SEO company specializing in affiliate marketing. They will optimize your site so it attracts more traffic and converts sales. Another trick, if you can't afford an expert, is using Google as your friend. Use Google's auto suggestions and see what other users are searching for. Once you have a well-optimized site, use keywords in titles and descriptions of products or services offered on your pages. These are what advertisers pay for when they want their ads shown next to your related results. Ensure these keywords are relevant to what readers might be looking for. Don't just throw them together without any thought. Finally, make sure you optimize the content through titles and descriptions. Include relevant keywords throughout various web pages and take advantage of other tools offered through social media channels like Facebook Ads Manager or Google Ads. Both pages have free tools for anyone to use to optimize their content, like Google's Keyword Manager. Use social media to promote affiliate programs. Social media is a great place to promote your affiliate program. If you have an active social media presence, use this platform to share links that will direct people toward your affiliate links. You can also share posts from other influencers in the industry who are promoting their affiliate programs. In addition, consider adding a widget on your website that automatically generates promotional codes for you and displays them when someone visits it, so they can easily copy and paste the code into their account settings. Make a video that relates to your product. I'm sure you know that YouTube is the second largest search engine online. When people search for products or information, they prefer to watch a video rather than read. When you start your channel or post your video, you should always be sure that you are talking to the right audience. Millions of people are searching for information about a product like yours. If you aren't speaking to the specific groups that will find your content helpful and take action on it, you won't be able to make money with affiliate marketing. Make sure you are talking about the right product as well. You must speak of the good benefits and reasons why someone will want to buy this product over any other available on the market today. In conclusion, affiliate marketing offers many ways to make money. The key is to find an approach that works for you and your brand. With patience and research, you'll soon be making money.